All right, market update. Powell spoke today, some kind of FOMC thing. Do you guys have FOMO over gold? It's okay to. One of the things that I've been teaching you with our system is trade the main assets. Not just the main assets, but the main asset classes. It's better to have exposure to not just crypto, but indices and stocks. Not just indices, but also precious metals. Because for a lot of you guys, it's been a pretty rough year. I mean, even our system, we saved a lot of pain, right? We got out. Yes, we got out. However, being out means you're not making money. But gold, this system has caught a monster run. Now, the last buy was right at the start of February. I'm not telling you guys, oh, FOMO and buy gold right now. I think for me, the FOMO is getting it in the system and getting it automated, getting it algorithmic, these sorts of things. So where we are, gold hasn't signaled in a long time. And it's unlikely to signal anytime soon, too. It's just cruising at new all-time highs. It would need to do something like this, or maybe come down and take this low down here, something like that. But patience pays in the long game. Now let's look at US 500, US 100, same deal, no matter how you paint it, out of the market, doing nothing, waiting. It paid off during this time, saved money. Not only did we re-enter lower, but didn't have any stress during that period, you know? This capital could have been spent on your business, or it could also be in cash savings, earning interest as they were raising interest rates during this time. And same thing here. Instead of having capital in the markets, it's in high interest savings. It's making a little bit, right? We look at US 30, I mean, they're all painting the same picture. Where are we supposed to get back in? Well, higher, honestly. We have this 200 moving average filter, and I talked to you guys about this a lot, but it's really important. It saves you from participating in these bear markets. Now, Bitcoin I like to run in slightly different settings, so let's go ahead and take a look at that. I don't like the dip buy on Bitcoin. It's more reflexive, and the dips keep dipping. And also, I like to have a peak sell on Bitcoin, and this isn't just like, the data's a little bit better this way. So Bitcoin also flat under the 200 moving average. It honestly doesn't necessarily need that much to signal. What's the high of March is actually here, so there's a couple levels. I think Bitcoin will be the first one to signal because we have the high of March right here. So if price were to come up and close above this, that would cause a buy signal. Now we also have what's going to become the April high. If in May we come up and we take that, that's going to be a breakout long, and that will give a signal, and you're going to hear about that in the Discord and on Instagram. I'll probably give you an email about it too. But we've been doing nothing, and look, it spends a lot of the time out of the market, but why would you want to be in the market during this time or this time, you know? You want to be in the market during this, you want to be in the market during this, you want to be in the market during this, but it's just not the time right now. So be patient and don't think, oh, it's early, we're going to get a signal later, so I'm going to buy. Not necessarily. We might not get it. It's possible that price just keeps bleeding down. Don't know. It has defended the lows. It's having similar price action to what it did last summer, and it could do so for a similar duration of time. It's possible that it could keep doing this and just kind of chopping. But I don't know what it's going to do. I'm just responding to signals, and in the meantime, I'm still hoarding cash, so Sorry to you guys if this is very boring, but that's good trading. And I guess it is exciting if you're have been holding gold for the longest time, going back to October 2023. Again, this is with the Bitcoin settings on right now, but no matter how you hack it, some of these positions are being held for future moves. So, yeah, let me know what y'all think. But there's a link down below if you're interested. You can sign up for the system. And when it signals, not just on Bitcoin, but on gold and the indices, you're going to hear and you're going to be protected because you're going to be in 3 asset classes or you're going to be in no asset classes. But you're going to stay with the strong ones and cut the weak ones. Been a great year for this trading system. And here's to many more great years. Okay? Appreciate you all. Much love. And talk to y'all soon.